Some mornings it's hard to get out of bed, but I promise, Fajr on time feels like peace. Let me take you to the story of Sarah. Everyone thought Sarah had it all together, but deep down, she was silently falling apart. She posted Quran quotes on her stories, color-coded her planners, even shared morning routines online. But the real morning routine, phone in hand, notifications, endless scrolling, and Fajr missed again. She would whisper, "I'll pray in 10 minutes. I'll open the Quran after breakfast. I'll start tomorrow." But tomorrow kept slipping, and with every scroll, her soul grew quieter. She couldn't remember the last time she cried in sujood or made a dua that didn't sound robotic. She wasn't even distracted. She was disconnected. Then one night, a random YouTube lecture auto-played in the background. She wasn't even listening initially until the speaker said, "Your distractions aren't harmless. They are replacing your remembrance of Allah." Her hands stopped moving, her chest constricted. Tears began to well up in her eyes. Because he wasn't just talking about anyone, he was talking about her. That night, she didn't post a rant on her Instagram. She didn't launch a productivity app. She didn't even text somebody. She just sat and whispered through trembling breaths, "Ya Allah, I don't want to live like this anymore." The next morning, she didn't scroll first thing. She made wudu, laid her prayer mat, and for the first time in months, she prayed Fajr on time, and in sujood, she cried. This time, not from guilt, but from relief. From that day, she started small, turned off phone notifications during prayer times, began journaling her duas at night, spent 5 extra minutes after every salah just remembering Allah, joined a weekly Quran reflection group, sat in silence without the need to fill the silence. Day by day, Sarah felt her self-control return. Her focus improved, her heart softened. She started sleeping better. Her conversations with her mom deepened, and her screen time, it dropped naturally, not out of force, but because peace had become better than dopamine. She used to think she had a discipline problem, but really, she had a disconnection problem. And as her connection with Allah grew stronger, so did everything else. Distraction isn't harmless. It's a thief. It steals your time. It steals your peace. It steals your closeness with your Creator. But when you say no to your nafs and yes to Allah, you reclaim your power. Sarah's journey isn't about becoming perfect. It's about returning to the one who waits, the one who still listens, the one who never left. You don't need to be perfect to come back. You just need to begin. Some mornings, Sarah still didn't feel like waking up. Some nights, she stared at her screen too long. She even missed a prayer or two, and the old guilt started to whisper again, "You're slipping. You're not strong enough. You're just pretending." But now, she had learned how to respond. She'd whisper back, "Ya Allah, don't let me go, not again," because she understood something new. Indeed, the soul is inclined to evil, except for the one upon whom my Lord has mercy. Surah Yusuf 12:53. Self-control wasn't a sign of her strength, it was a sign of His mercy. So now when Sarah feels weak, she doesn't shame herself. She simply says, "Ya Allah, I'm still learning, but I'm not giving up." Because that's what the Prophet said matters most. The most beloved actions to Allah are those that are consistent, even if they are small. Sahih al-Bukhari 6464.